Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost and get it fast and free shipping. If you check out right now, add it to your cart and check out, and so they can ship this fast to you. About to see what's inside. There's a cut. It might be a two-parter. Alright, there's one of them. Get this box down below. It's smaller than I thought. Bada boom. LE Ever Better Lighting, Better Life. Non-waterproof. Please unroll the strip before use. We can handle that here. Oh yeah. Make your home into RGB land. Especially all you gamers, Twitchers, mixers. Be a great piece to add to your room. Here's all the good stuff. 15,000, 25,000. I think this comes with a remote. I'm not sure you could use an app with it, but you could cut the strips and all that good stuff. They got adapters. Right, this one. RGB control box, IR remote control, input voltage, DC 12 volt output. Alright, this would be good. Put that right there. That little guy there. Come on out. Alright. There's the RGBs, LEDs. Easy plug. You just plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Right through there. And a nice little roll right there. This would be perfect for a desk. I'm not going to go too crazy today. But we're going to do some YouTube magic in a second so I can figure out where I'm going to set it up. Got the manual. Hopefully we don't need to use that. We got that stuff. Battery. Oh yes. Here is the remote. Easy to touch. Peel this back. We pop it out. Huh. Release. Why you no release? Dash. Release that. A little tricky. Dang. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys. Hold on. Okay, there's a battery that comes with it. You just gotta squeeze this one in. And then I just had it. But the battery's in here already, so it's good to go. Control power on and off. We got this. We got the juice. So you can take this. So hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying home, staying safe. And we got a new month coming up. So we got June. But this would be great for all you vloggers out here. Might want to just click the link, check out their other goodies. Also, add it to your list. But for the deal, I think these are under 30 bucks. So, but these are not outdoors, so you want to be careful where you install it. They're not waterproof, I don't believe. It says right there, please unroll, non-waterproof. So somewhere where it's like not at a bar, you might want to get the waterproof ones. Like if you have a bar at your home, your man cave, for that would be perfect. For your gaming desk. Oh man, they got this pretty good twisted. Don't get it twisted. It's like left, right, left, right. There we go. Bada boom. Plug her in. Got my extension cordy. Hooty hoo. Let's get it done. Alright. Bonsai. Alright. Got it plugged in. Let's go. Let's go, Rangers. Go, Gadget. See? And you can mount it to right here. Just a little screw part. Right, I said we're going to test these out really quick. Hopefully they're all working. Okay, that's plugged in. Sure where this could go. Let's see. Is there a switch? I thought they usually just turn on. Maybe I gotta take it. Oops, that's peeling the sticker. Don't want to do that right now. Maybe it's too untangled. Let them breathe. Dang. All right. Dang, this is sticky stuff. Ow. All right, I'm gonna go one more step. There we go. Unroll it, unroll it, unroll. Maybe we gotta hook it up at the end. Dang. There we go. Alright. Got these. Why is it not hooked up though? IR receiver. Am I missing something? What's going on here? Cut. Pause you guys. Alrighty guys, I had the wire in the wrong way, so sorry about that, but everything is good to go now. Tested it out. These things are pretty bright, so cover your eyes for a second. You're gonna see some bling bling. Let me clean up a little. And then we're gonna have blast off. So check these guys out. LE. Dude. Here we go. Boom. And you can change it. Green. Kind of like that one. Purple's cool. Kind of like the Undertaker from wrestling. We got that. And those. We got the white. Pink. Teal. North Carolina blue. This is only done by the remote, so I mean, whoa. I like that, the heartbeat. It's called Fade 3, but I call it the heartbeat. That's pretty cool. You can change the speed, slow, make it quick. Dang. Do. Gonna have your own club. instead of going to the clubs. I'd be staying home right now. Make the best out of it, guys. All the time you wish you had more time at home. Enjoy it. Get some cool stuff like this. You know, great for your videos, especially the gaming. Because you got to focus on the screen. You can always put these behind the TV, which I might get a couple more in and do that too. Makes a nice little backlight for the TV area that's dark. In case you guys have a stand or something like that. But yeah, these are really bright though. You can always adjust it too. Slow, quick, flash. Whoa. It's happy hour, guys. A lot of colors though. I don't mind the remote either. I mean, the apps on the phone is pretty cool, but it's a lot easier to head. Especially this kind of pretty styling. LE, LE. You can change it up different holidays, Christmas, you can have it red, flashing, and all that good stuff. So really cool, guys. There you go. So there you go. LE ever. Hopefully you guys have a good night. Be safe. See you guys hopefully tomorrow. If not, have a good weekend and see you guys soon. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back. We got this going. Got it nice and tucked. Just gotta hide a few more wires. This is what it looks like. Really cool. Let me zoom in. Find the remote. If I can find the remote. But really cool. You can change the colors. Get it that color. It has a nice glow too. Look at that. Here's the purple. And it lights up pretty good too. All the way up top. Just a reflection in the corner. There's the green. I already did that one. There's that crazy one. Give it like that. One. Boom. So really cool. Get them out now before they sell out, because they go fast. These from this company, they sell quickly. Whoa. Make it like a haunted house. That's pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and see you guys soon.